Hey, this is Sam here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I want to show you just how easy it is to make air fryer Swede chips. Whether you call it Swede or rutabaga, it's absolutely delicious cooked in the air fryer. Peel and slice it like you would with regular chips, air fry it, and it's perfect as a healthier version of chips. And it's also perfect for this time of year when Swede is in season and you can get a really nice one. So, already prepped a Swede there, if you look at the size of them. And then all you really need is some oil and seasonings and we can get it going. It's a really quick and easy, simple way of cooking your Swede. So start with a generous seasoning of some salt, a little bit of pepper, and then you can season it up however you want. I've gone with some basil, so just a bit of dried basil, and of course some sweet paprika. And then once you've got all your seasonings in, you can add a bit of extra virgin olive oil. I'm just adding a little bit more. And then you can start mixing your ingredients together and getting them on in the air fryer. So, hands in, give them a good mix. You want an even coating of the seasonings across everything. So, keep mixing until you've got a brilliant coating on your Swede chips. And oh wow, don't they look fantastic? So I'm just going to wash my hands and then we can get it on. So, hands washed. Air fry basket opened. Tip your Swede into your air fry basket, spread it out, and then you're looking for a temperature of 160 Celsius, that's 320 Fahrenheit, because it's very easy to dry out the Swede, so you'd want to cook it at a lower temperature. And then set the time to 18 minutes and press start. Now that the air fryer is on, let me talk to you about the Christmas air fry plan. It's a free ebook that we've created for you and it shares with you 25 popular Christmas recipes for the air fryer, as well as grocery list, how to have a stress-free Christmas, and 25 of the best ever air fryer Christmas recipes. If you head over to RecipeThis.com and search Christmas, you can get the full details. And now, let's get back to that air fryer. And we've beeped. So, shall we check on our Swede chips so far? Give the air fryer a good shake and you can see that they're coming along nicely. So now we're going to increase the temperature. We're going to go up to 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit, and then a cook time of 10 minutes and then press start. And we've beeped. So shall we check on our Swede chips? Are you ready? Oh wow, look at those beauties. They look absolutely fantastic. Oh, and you can tell that they're so fork tender as well. I mean, oh, look at those. Don't they look fantastic? Absolutely brilliant. They've got a lovely colour on them from the seasonings that we've added as well, and they're just perfect for this time of year. You can serve them as a side at dinner time. They're a great snack if you're feeling hungry or you missed lunch or something and you just want something else, then this is great. And then of course if you're on a diet, they're even better. I first got into Swede chips when I followed paleo and the Whole30, and they were absolutely brilliant for that. But yeah, just a brilliant veggie snack that you can make yourself at home in the air fryer. And don't forget to also check out our other ones, because if you head over to RecipeThis.com, we've also got a version with parsnips, we've got carrots, we've got beetroot, and we've got so many others. Have you checked out Air Fryer Easy Everyday yet? It's our brand new air fryer cookbook, following on from the success of the complete air fryer cookbook. It has over 140 everyday air fryer recipes for you to follow along with at home in your air fryer. Perfect for different types of air fryers too. as it covers the air fryer oven, basket and dual air fryers, as well as some fun recipes if you're cooking for one. So what you're waiting for? Go and order yourself a copy now and you will not be disappointed. It's from 12 years of air frying. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course you can also find us on TikTok. But best of all, head over to recipethis.com/newsletter to join our weekly newsletter. And I'm Sam, and thanks again for watching.